Hi, I'm Nikos Orsidis, CEO, management consultant, and author. This lecture series is devoted to sharing insights and skills to help you navigate the evolving world of work.
Change is the new constant, and understanding how to adapt and innovate will be key to your success.
So,
So let's get started with today's discussion. Today we're discussing a vital and trending topic, one that should be on the radar of every forward-thinking manager: the effective utilization of generative AI tools. Since its launch on November 30th, 2022, OpenAI's ChatGPT has skyrocketed in popularity, growing to over 100 million users. We've never seen such rapid tech adoption before. In fact, the website currently generates an astounding 1.8 billion visitors per month, and it's just the beginning. The next generation of AI tools, capable of self-learning without human training and iterating at incredible speeds, may introduce developments that are nothing short of mind-boggling. It's an exciting and perhaps daunting prospect. Now you might be wondering, why do the recent developments like ChatGPT feel different? We've grown accustomed to AI recommendations on Amazon, personalized Netflix or Spotify suggestions, and the use of chatbots in our online bookings. But there's that uncanny moment, isn't there, when YouTube suddenly suggests something you've shown an interest in recently? Content magically pops up on your feed reflecting your latest curiosities. It's intriguing how the algorithm notices your choices and the duration you spend on each video, and tailors its recommendations accordingly. In fact, it feels like today's social media is creating what we call confirmation bias. Some call it my side bias, acting as a polarizing echo chamber, feeding us more of what we already like or believe in, thereby reinforcing our opinions and points of view. But I may be straying off course here. This is a topic for another day, another discussion. So let's circle back to generative AI and ChatGPT. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT are becoming integral parts of our workspaces and decision-making processes. They're not merely suggesting your next movie or book, they're assisting us in creative and intellectual tasks. That's a significant leap from pattern detection to adaptive interaction. Remember, as managers, we're not outsourcing our thinking, ideas, and creativity to machines. Using ChatGPT should feel like partnering with the world's best aid, not outsourcing to an impersonal proxy, particularly one that lacks a full understanding of the given context. ChatGPT is undeniably powerful. It can help edit emails, generate ad copy ideas, brainstorm, and even drafting essays on command. But remember, it's a tool, not a substitute for your intellect. You are the source of originality and direction. Take a brainstorming session, for example. You give ChatGPT the topic innovative marketing strategies. It responds with a list of strategies. It's like a colleague bouncing back ideas, helping you explore alternatives and deepen your understanding of a topic. But this only works if you provide the right context and guidance. Without your input, the output might be passable at best and misleading at worst. It's like a student turning in an essay they didn't write and then floundering when questioned, a scenario that's becoming a real challenge in academia. Generative AI holds promise, but beware of its pitfalls. Without human guidance, ChatGPT might veer off course or misconstrue your request. It's not a fact checker. It doesn't know the latest developments after its training data cut off, and it can't grasp the subtleties of your unique business context. Here's the key. Make AI outputs your own. Refine the content, add your personal touch, and make it an authentic extension of your thought and effort. As we conclude this episode, I leave you with 3 quick tips. Number 1, understand your tool. Get acquainted with ChatGPT's capabilities and limitations. Remember, it's designed to assist you, not replace your intellect or creativity. Number 2, provide clear directions. The output from ChatGPT is a reflection of your input. Be clear, be specific, and iterate and refine freely. Unlike us, AI-driven chatbots never tire. Number 3, infuse authenticity. Always start with your own ideas, add your personal touch, and then let AI assist. Remember to check the facts, align the content with your tone, and make it uniquely yours. Let's interact with ChatGPT as a master and guide, not as a passive passenger. Thank you for joining me today. To stay up to date with the latest insights from Managing Essentials, don't forget to hit those subscribe and like buttons, and do enable notifications. Let's learn how to use AI to manage smarter and better.